Hello everyone, this is Usha. Today I am going to show you how to make this lovely slanting shell pattern in crochet. For this, take a yarn of your own color choice and make a loop first. Then make 23 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this, make 23 chains. Here are the 23 chains. Now, count 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and then in the 4th chain you need to make a double crochet. And then 2 more double crochets. Now count 1, 2, 3 and 4th chain. In the 4th chain, make a slip stitch like this. Now make 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Make 3 more double crochets in the next chain. Not in this, in the next chain. 3 double crochets. Now again count 4 chains. 1, 2, 3 and 4. In the 4th chain you need to make a slip stitch again. Like this it will come. So you please repeat the process till you reach the end. I have reached the last part. Now in the last chain make a slip stitch. Now the first layer of your slanting shell pattern is ready. Make 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now turn the first layer. In this visible next chain, do 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Now, in this visible space, make a slip knot, slip stitch, and then make 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. In the same space, you need to make 3 double crochets. 1, 2 and 3. Again, as usual, in this visible next space of the first layer, make a slip stitch. So like this you need to repeat the process here also. Here I have reached the last part. In this space, do a slip stitch. Do 1, 2, 3, 4 chains and then turn the pattern. In this chain, next chain, make 3 double crochets. In the next space, as you have seen earlier in the first level, make a slip stitch. Now make 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Always while turning, you make 4 chains. But while continuing with the pattern, make 3 chains. So now here goes with 3 double crochets. In the space visible, make a slip stitch. So this goes like this. So please continue with this process in here. So here I've reached the last part, and then again I'm going to make 3 chains. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now I'm going to turn it. In this chain, make 3 double crochets as usual. 1, 2, 3, in the visible space. Next, make a slip knot, and then again 3 chains. Now 3 double crochets, and then in this space visible, make a slip stitch. Please repeat the process for the next 2 levels. So I have reached the last part, making a slip stitch. This yarn needs 3.5 mm hook basically, so it will be a little looser. I've done it with a 3.25 mm, so this is a little bit tight. Like this we can do for the bags and coasters if we like, because it will be stiff. So friends, hope you have enjoyed my tutorial today. Thank you so much for watching.